Now let's look at dictionary of dictionaries. So we're going to do this one more time. So we stored a 2D list previous lecture, then we did a list of dictionaries. And now we're going to look at storing all of this in a dictionary of dictionaries. And this actually is pretty useful stuff. Instead of saving data as a list, we're just going to convert the entire thing into a dictionary. Let's actually grab my dictionaries. And so now you can see we have a dictionary. Notice the brace, the curly brace. And the first key is San Diego. And then the value of San Diego is the weather data for that particular row in the table. And then we have the key Anaheim. And the value for Anaheim is a dictionary with the weather data for Anaheim. And then the same thing for the third one. And so let's see how we would use this. So first, let's print it out. Print it out, we just get, again, we have a dictionary right there, or a key, colon, and there it goes right there. There's our first dictionary. So this dictionary here is a value there, another key, and then another dictionary, and then another key with another dictionary. So we have dictionaries. Now, it's much more intuitive now to get the data for a particular city. So let's see what we get for San Diego. We get a dictionary of all of its weather data. And then if I do Anaheim, I get a dictionary of all that weather data. And now if I want to know what's the weather for San Diego on Thursday, I get 75. So now we're accessing a key that returns a dictionary. And then from that dictionary, I access Thursday, which gives me this value right here. What about the weather? Let's say it's time for a trip to Las Vegas this weekend. Not any of you, you still have a final. And all of you are probably too young to go to Vegas. Okay, what's the temperature of Las Vegas on Friday? Well, I see right here it's 100. So let's access the key Las Vegas, find the key Friday in that dictionary, and return the value, and we get the 100. So it's going to be pretty hot on Friday. This makes working with data much more intuitive if you store data in a dictionary of dictionaries. You don't need to remember now which element is it, index 0 or index 1, etc. You can just access it using the city name and the day of the week. So now we have some data, and then we have a dictionary. We have key 1 with its own dictionary of data. And then we have key 2, and that has its own dictionary of data, and then et cetera, and eventually we end our dictionary. Just to keep it consistent. So we have 3 different ways of accessing data. 2D list of dictionaries, and a dictionary of dictionaries, just to get this kind of data into an accessible format. 2D list, you have to know the indices. List a dictionary, you still have to know the indices. But the dictionary of dictionary, you just have to know the key names. You don't need to know the dictionaries.